What's up, folks? This is Element. I just wanted to make this video as a reference point for voice actors and anybody interested in the audio quality of microphones. I'm recording this right now on my Samson C01 with my levels at halfway, just to make sure I don't peak or clip at any point. This is going to be a review of the LyxPro SMU-1 USB cardioid large diaphragm condenser microphone. I don't see a lot of reviews out there right now with this mic, so I'm going to do this review with it. Right now, just for reference, I'm recording on the Samson C01. So here's just a couple examples of lines from voice acting. That's not how life works, does I? The military hired us to take a look around here for some beast. Spill, brat, or I'm going WWE on your ass. Yeah, but they're gonna be pissed off since I pulled them from watching Game of Thrones. With the Allspark gone, we cannot return life to our planet, but fate has yielded its own reward. Autobots, roll out. I am Optimus Prime. And this is the LyxPro SMU-1 large diaphragm USB condenser microphone. I've switched to it. As you can see, it's got a very flat response and it's very, very quiet, minimal noise. It's very noiseless, actually, which is surprising to me. But it is coming in hot, and I had to lower the levels down to about maybe 60% or so. At about 80 to 90%, it was coming in at about 6 to 3 decibels, which was close to clipping. But once you get it at that sweet spot where the levels are good and you're not kind of peaking at all, then it sounds fine. It's got a flat response. The noise in the background is amazing. So here are just examples of some voice lines. That's not how life works, does I? The military hired us to take a look around here. Yeah, but they're gonna be pissed off since I pulled them from watching Game of Thrones. That's not how life works, does I? With the Allspark gone, we cannot return life to our planet, but fate has yielded its own reward. A new world to call home. Autobots, roll out. I am Optimus Prime. So there you go. That's the LyxPro SMU-1 USB condenser microphone. It's got great range. It's got a great response. It's very flat, so you can EQ it or process it however you want. This whole recording has not been cleaned up in any way. It's just mic versus mic in terms of quality and sensitivity and range. And that's it. I hope this helps you guys. It's definitely eye-opening for me, and I didn't see very many LyxPro SMU-1 reviews out there, so I hope that this has been helpful for you. And this is on Amazon right now for $59.99, which is a huge steal considering the quality of this microphone. And for anybody looking for a shock mount for it, I know that when I received this, it was very, very small compared to my Samson C01. So I had to get a new shock mount, and this one comes in at about 44 millimeters. And my current shock mount was for anything above 48. And so it was just a little tad small, so I had to order a new one. So there's that information if you're looking for that. In any case, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Bye.